How can waste potatoes, waste rubber, etc. turn waste into pressure? This food pressure will be used. With this machine, it is equivalent to having a small factory. There is no pressure to earn money, since automation, less labor, and high output, cutting human needs, and equipment costs is especially the common part. Wide range of crushed materials, long to life, low speed operation. The discharge port can be adjusted according to demand. The material is repeatedly shredded by the movable knife and the fixed mill. The huge pressure formed makes the material repeatedly grind in the body until the discharge port is pushed out. All kinds of crushed materials can be used for the second time. Is it your ideal machine? Come and get rich with me.